Hi, I'm Haley.
I'm Caitlin.
And I'm Lisa, and we are the faces behind Pierce and Pyne. We are so excited to help you bring some holiday magic into your home this season with our Snowberry Pyne Kit. As you will see in 5 simple steps, we will help you create this beautiful look and bring in a warm, cozy vibe for your home. Let's get started. Step 1. First up, the sprays. You will see as you get going with your sprays, they will be tightly formed from the packing. You will want to manipulate the branches to open them up and then bend them ever so slightly so they can flow in a downward direction on the tree. Starting at the very top of your tree, gently slide your pine spray into the center. Then, take your pine cone spray and place it in front and to the side of your pine spray. It should hit slightly lower than your pine spray. Follow with your red berry spray, placing it on the other side of the tree and slightly lower than your pine cone spray. You will follow this same idea on the back side of your tree using your pine cone spray and white berry spray. This creates height and draws the eye upward and rounds out the tree. And for a fun touch, add your pom-pom spray right behind the pine spray at the top. With the remaining sprays, working with one style at a time, work your way down, spacing the sprays evenly so they add fullness and texture all the way around the tree. Think of these as the foundation for the rest of your decorations. Step 2. Next, we're adding ribbon to bring movement and softness to the tree. So to get started, you will place both types of ribbon together. Fold the top over about 4 inches, using a wired branch to hold it in place. For your first ribbon bundle, you will place it so it ties in with the picks at the very top. This helps with making that section feel more complete. For a flowing natural look, gently and loosely tuck the ribbons into the pockets or gaps of the tree as it cascades down. Repeat with the remaining ribbons, spacing them evenly around the tree for balance. Step 3. Now for the ornaments, which is one of the best parts. We typically like to start by taking an ornament that catches our eye. Today, that will be this white yarn ball, and by placing it up by the ribbon and by the picks at the top. This is the final piece that rounds out that section of the tree. Next, we will move to the largest ornaments, placing them evenly around the tree to anchor the design. Then move to the medium-sized ones, filling in the gaps. Finally, add the smallest ornaments last, tucking some closer to the trunk for depth and letting others hang near the tips for sparkle. This layered approach gives your tree that full professional look. Step 4. Next up, we'll add the wood bead garland. This is such a fun element that will add so much character to your tree. Use the branches to help create a natural fall and curve in your garland. Step 5, the final touch. You can now add your velvet bows to the branches of your tree. First, you will find 3 or 4 prominent ribbon bundles and add your bow to it like so. Then, with the remaining bows, you will let them rest on the edge of the bough. This is a chance to take a step back and notice where you may have any gaps in your tree and use the bows to fill in that open space. And there you have it, your Snowberry Pyne styled in 5 simple steps. Please share your photos and experiences with us as you made memories this holiday season decorating your tree. Thanks for being here with us. Happy decorating.